To get started, you'll press down on the brake pedal, insert the key into the ignition, and turn clockwise. You'll notice the van is whisper quiet. To change drive modes, press the button below the touchscreen with the flag, leaf, and snowflake icons. Or, using the touchscreen, tap Features, then Drive Modes, and select your desired setting. These include Normal or Default Mode Everyday Driving, Eco Mode for maximum driving range, and Slippery Mode for slick driving conditions. To change the interior temperature, use the climate controls visible across the black bar at the bottom of the touchscreen. To increase driving range, make sure Max AC and E-Heat are turned off, and recirculated air is turned on. To pair your phone, make sure the vehicle is parked and turn on your phone's Bluetooth setting. On the home page of the touchscreen, tap Connect Phone. Then tap Add Phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Then you'll follow the instructions on the screen and on your phone. The regenerative brake system activates when you lift your foot off the accelerator. You may feel the van automatically slow down and notice the gauge on the far left of the dashboard move to the green section. This system recovers energy, typically lost when braking, to help maximize the vehicle's range. To turn your hazard lights on and off, press the red triangle button below the touchscreen. You can precondition or automatically set the temperature of the vehicle before you depart each day. Using the touchscreen, tap Features, then Departure and Comfort. Then select your desired days, times, and temperature. This feature adjusts the battery to the temperature that helps maximize the vehicle's range. Once you arrive at your charging location, be sure to park and turn off the vehicle. Locate the charge port door on the front grille of the vehicle and push to open. Remove the dust cap from the charge port receptacle shaped like a circle. If you're using a level 3 charger, also flip down the oval-shaped dust cap. Follow the instructions listed on the charging station. Plug the charger handle into the charge port. A scrolling white light means the coupler is connecting. A flashing blue light means the vehicle is charging properly. A solid blue light confirms the charge is complete. When done, remove the charger handle by pressing the button on top and pulling it away from the charge port. Replace the dust caps back on the charge ports. Then push the charge port door closed. For your safety, the vehicle will not shift out of park until the charger is removed from the charge port.